Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the core services so recording is possible. Open Settings, go to Gaming and switch Xbox Game Bar on. This registers shortcuts and overlays. Next, make sure your Windows build is recent enough. Older builds can miss features, so update if needed. Finally, give necessary permissions. Allow background apps and microphone access under privacy so audio and background capturing work. Once done, you'll be ready to test a quick capture with Win+G to confirm the overlay appears. Now you refine how recordings behave by checking capture options. Open the capture widget via Win+G, then inspect audio mix and recording quality. Higher bitrate improves clarity, but uses more space. Make sure background recording is configured if you want automatic gameplay clips, and adjust the maximum recording time to suit your needs. Also set the capture folder to a drive with enough free space. Recordings fail when disk space is low. If you adjust settings, restart the game bar or sign out to apply them. Finish by resolving frequent failure points so you get a reliable recorder. Restart the Xbox Game Bar and related services, and restart Windows Explorer. This clears stuck overlays. Update your GPU drivers and Windows because driver conflicts often block capture. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter to fix app-level issues, and if problems persist, reinstall the game bar using PowerShell commands and test under a fresh user account to rule out profile corruption. If recording still fails, check the troubleshooting tip below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.